Hey, Kenmore.
Look at it. For some reason, it's just hard to pull out. It's not too rusty. It's got a little rust in there. It's not rusted. But, no bad seal. What is it? Can we read it? Hello. Let's see, it's a model number 15892-100. Serial FM 1119349. Stock number. And got kind of two problems. Well, these springs are probably shot on this thing that hold the door up. And see this? That's signs of rodents right there eating that tech sheet. Also, this thing was put here before the floor was put here, so it's going to be a little tricky getting it out. And you can see signs of rodents in there. Very likely that they've eaten quite a few things. I'm not even going to turn it on because at this point I'm just going to recommend a replacement. Because you see signs like that, they could be eaten into this cabinet. This is a plastic cabinet, so they could actually eat holes in the cabinet. And I've seen them eat holes up there too. And people are putting their dishes in from up here. They don't see the hole up there, and they got water dripping. And so anyway, that's what's going on with this thing. And you know, it's going to be a whole ball of wax. I mean, for me to take this apart and disconnect everything, just to look in there and see if there's a little hole in there that they've eaten in there. They said basically it floods, so I'm going to recommend a replacement on this one, guys. That's your Kenmore tip for today.